The Evenflo Embrace Select is a stylish baby car seat with all the safety and convenience features you need. This infant car seat offers a reclining base to match your baby's height. It fits 4 Evenflo strollers, so you can use the same carrier as part of your stroller. However, its fabric is known to cause skin irritation in some infants, and its adjustable harness is difficult to use. Still, the Embrace Select proves that you can have style and substance in your baby's car seat. The car seat meets all federal crash test certifications, and offers both energy-absorbent foam and side impact protection. Unfortunately, crash test results are not made available by the National Highway Traffic Safety Administration, NHTSA, so there's no way to see how well it performed. The Embrace offers a 3-level installation guide to help you adjust the car seat to your child's weight. It also has latch connectors for easy installation. If you do not have the base with you, there are instructions for installing the seat without the base. The rear-facing car seat will support a child from 4 to 35 pounds. The Embrace Select carrier is compatible with the 4 Evenflo travel systems. This carrier-stroller combination creates a full canopy covering. When the carrier is alone, the canopy offers decent protection, but it is uncomfortable to carry the seat with the canopy fully extended. This seat has machine washable cushions, so you'll be able to keep your car seat clean without much fuss. The harness is difficult to adjust, but once you've set the shoulder straps to the correct height, the center pull strap secures both shoulders simultaneously. The Evenflo Embrace Select is a stylish baby car seat with excellent safety and convenience features like energy-absorbent foam and side impact protection. Unfortunately, the fabric can cause skin irritation for some babies, and the harness is difficult to adjust. However, overall, this is a great infant car seat with machine washable cushions and stroller compatibility.